Welcome back to the channel. I'm your girl DJ Dalvi. Yes, any problem away, solve it, yeah, man. So it is a beautiful day. Yes, Jamaica Day I keep every day. Yeah, today is not Jamaica Day. Yesterday was Jamaica Day, and I said, January time, I miss out. Yeah, so I just put on my Jamaica t-shirt, you know, and represent, because Jamaica Day always I keep. Jamaica always I keep. Trust me. Yeah, man. So I go make some banana oats porridge in the morning, you know. So y'all just stay tuned. Remember, like the video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. You don't know, represent wherever you are in the world. Yeah, just represent Jamaica, you know. Represent where you come from. Yeah, represent where you come from. From you come from, jump down, just drop some Jamaica flag in the comment section. Yeah, man, blessings. Stay tuned. I go get things started, you know. That is it. Stay tuned. Go peel the bananas and I got 5 bananas here. Yeah. And one day we can't get a banana. They done by the HQ and somebody are passing by, a farmer passing by, and you see me the banana, so I just beg. Yeah, man, I just beg him and the banana. I get it. Yeah. That's how I think going on. That's why I like country life, you know, because you can always see a farmer passing by. Likewise, them can see you with something, you know, and just ask and them get it, you know. Yeah, man. So that's how I think go. Banana yeah, skin and move so. And I think this a banana yeah. This banana is gross shell banana. So that's how I deal with it. You know? I cut up the banana them so then can blend up, you know. Cut up all of them on here, you know. Yeah. Remember, give this video a like, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. So I go and blend up the coconut and then we use the coconut milk and blend the banana together, as I told you guys earlier. So stay locked in and clapped in. Don't move a muscle, you know. Outside I do it, so you do the right thing. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed and like the video, comment, let me know what you think about the vibe. Stay tuned. So I go on here now. Got this small little coconut here. I think this is a, what do you call this one? I don't call it coconut again. I call this one. Hey, no comment about me know what they call this one. I got to be careful about what this one is. Yeah. So I break this coconut here. So you're going to have a little bit of water. Just a little drop of water, I think it will be. A little drop of water, not a lot of water. So this one is no good, so I'ma just make the fool them find this one. Yeah, so I have to go get the next one. I have good things, I have more coconut that this not good at all. Alright, so right about now I'm gonna use this coconut here. Hopefully this good, because I see eye there, so hopefully it have life in it. So anyways, I break it open now. See what I go and fit. Big eye in here, you know. So this one look like him no good, so look like him no good. Yeah, I drop out, ox up the coconut. There you know, ox up the coconut. Coconut here thin though, but it 100% good, that's for sure. Now I drop over 3 down there. After I finish ox them up, then I wash them off. And then straight in the ninja blender. No, a long time I don't see the ninja blender, you know. So right about now, go wash and cut them up in the blender, you know. I know a ninja blender, so now I have to cut them up too small. Yeah. I have to cut them up too small. Just wash and put in the blender same time. Wash and put them in same time, you know. Ninja blender is here. I know a long time, but I don't hear the blender, you know, a long time, but I see it, you must have wonder, what Dalvi do with the blender? Look like Dalvi mash it up. No, I don't mash it up. It's still have it. Get in a little water in the blender. Alright, so no more than that. I know that me want more than that. My money buy the coconut. You Mr. Greedy. Try to take what is mine. So pour up the blender, you know. Right about now, strain the coconut milk, you know. Oh, strain a match in. Yellow strain a match up with the Jamaica color. Yeah, that is it, you know. These are the best flavoring for your porridge, you know. If you want your porridge nice, get a coconut. No coconut powder around here. But big up all who using coconut powder, boy, while still here, but yeah, burn a fire upon it, you know. No go and do nothing. But we use the real thing out here, you know. Yeah. Right about now, we are going with the banana them. Alright, and then we are going with a little bit of oats. Now I put no whole heap of oats in there because don't want the oats stick up my porridge too much, you know. Right, so that amount good. Just a small portion you need when you deal with porridge and them things there. When you come on to oats. Alright, so let's make some noise, you know. Yeah, so sweep off his step them, you know. Good old bush broom. Big up all viewers and big up all our subscribers. I don't know the thing go. Yeah, man. This a piece of tough. Me a cook porridge. Porridge. Eh? Yes, sir. Yeah. Somebody asks what I'm cooking, so I think, you know, make them know what I go on. Yeah. Jesus love is a bubbling over. Strike you now. The Holy Ghost power is moving just like a magnet. The Holy Ghost power is moving just like a magnet. Moving here, moving there, just like the day of Pentecost. Holy Ghost power is moving just like a magnet. It's moving here, moving there, just like the day of. I'm not a singer, you know, I just, more times some song in a made and I just sing them. Yeah. I ain't got. Come back here. Right, I see you feed there. Yeah, man, go right there, so. Right there, so more, yeah. Right there, so we want you to go. Right about now, go in with the mixture. The thing with porridge. Have to stir up porridge. You don't want it too lumpy, you know. So I can take a little bit of water, so I got add in a little water and I creamy though. Get in some water. Yeah, so we got cinnamon tree right at the HQ, you know. So we got cinnamon here. But now I pick them one here. You know, some cleaner one. Let's go and pick this little branch here. Yeah, man. See? 3 cinnamon leaves. Yeah. Or just stick a little bit, but so it goes sometime, you know? So I keep stirring and stirring and stirring. So I take off the porridge, you know. The porridge done cook, you know. Take him off, you know. So I use them big leaf as the dish towel. If they are bush, look what me good. If they are bush and nature call. Yeah, me run for 2 of them broad leaf. Might sound like a joke, but because I go no it's plain and straight. Yeah, man. If you don't not all and nature call, they are bush where you go use. Oh God! Get off the pot off of your fire, yeah? Yes! Go sweeten up and thing, you know, so stay locked in, you know? I have some nutmeg here, ground nutmeg. Go in with some nutmeg. Vanilla, yeah. Go in with some vanilla also. That good. And I have this is yellow almond. Yeah, this is a good spice for the porridge, you know. Yeah. Spice up my porridge, you know. And then I go in with some sugar. Pan Caribbean sugar. Yeah. Now I use no milk. Sugar I use to sweeten the porridge, you know. Not using a lot of sugar. So when you sweeten up now. Out, you know. Yeah. Me that you know. Whatever left in my pot, if you ask my subscribers, you can just get a little small cup or a spoon, you know. That is it. Stay tuned. Yes, so I did the walk with any spoon, you know, so we are deal with it, you know. Oh, we got to pray. Father God, give thanks for this porridge, banana, Oats porridge that you helped me to prepare today. I ask that you bless this food. Let this food be of nourishment to my body. Bless my viewers, bless my subscribers who are watching at this very moment. I ask for guidance and protection again. In your precious name, Jesus Christ, I pray, amen. Beautiful. Sitting on my steps, you know. The porridge, not too sweet and not too fresh. It's the right vibe, you know. Congratulations, you made it to the end of the video. Yeah man, big up all my viewers and big up all my subscribers every time. Remember, like up the video and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, you know. I love and respect every time. Big up all my subscribers watching from near and far. Yeah man, big up on a nice clean self every time. Remember, surround yourself with people and things that are good for you. Yes, so if you're passing by, you love the vibes, you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing to the channel. Yeah man, big up on yourself one more time. Catch you guys in another video or on a live stream. Yeah man, big up, bless up, stay humble, stay blessed. Whenever you see this video, hope you having a wonderful day, and I hope and trust that you have a blessed day. You know what I mean? If you see this on a weekend, have a blessed weekend. Same way, you know, big up and bless up. Yeah, that is it.